The PYHAUTO Coolant Reservoir Tank is a direct replacement that matches factory fit and function, making installation straightforward for do-it-yourself owners and professional mechanics alike. It is engineered specifically for late-model full-size General Motors trucks and sport utility vehicles, so hose routing and mounting points line up cleanly with Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Escalade applications. The included cap seals securely and maintains proper system pressure, helping to keep engine temperatures stable and reduce the risk of overheating on long drives or heavy towing. Construction feels solid and durable, using quality plastics that resist heat cycling and under-hood vibration better than many bargain aftermarket tanks. The translucent body makes it easy to monitor coolant level at a glance, so you can spot low fluid before it turns into a more serious cooling system issue. Overall, this tank offers a dependable, no-drama solution for replacing a cracked or discolored original reservoir while restoring confidence in your cooling system.